Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today, I will show you how you can reset your WordPress website. So let's get started. First of all, why do we need to reset? A prime example would be if you want to create and test multiple websites, but you don't want to go through the installation process of WordPress every time. Another example would be if you are a professional and you're creating websites for your client, it's unnecessary to go through that installation again and again. Or if you don't want to create new domain for testing new website. So let's get started. Let's head over to our dashboard. Go to plugins. Click on add new. And search for WP Reset. Click on install now. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. And click on activate. Now go to tools, and here you can see WP Reset. Click on it. Click on reset. Now here you will see the list of things that will be deleted or not be deleted while you're resetting your website. For the free version, which is site reset, your media files, user credentials, site title, WP address, site language, database plugins and other files will not be deleted. Now let's talk a bit about snapshots. Snapshots, as the name suggests, create a copy of website. However, they are not a replacement for a real backup. If you want to know how to back up your WordPress website, check out our video which we made on our channel, which will be linked in the description. Now let's create a snapshot. Click on create a new snapshot. Name your new snapshot and click on create. It will create a snapshot and click OK. Now let's see how we can. Now let's reset our website. Scroll down. Here you will see site reset, and here you can see you can reactivate the Astra theme whenever you reactivate, and reactivate all current plugins. For now we will only reactivate WP Reset plugin. Click reset in this box and click on site reset. Click on this reset WordPress. And as you can see, site has been successfully reset to default settings. Let's see. And here you can see nothing is there, which means our site has been reset. Let's go back to our dashboard. Click on plugins once again. And here you can see all our plugins have been deactivated but not deleted. Now let's open to tools. Click on snapshots. And we will try to restore our snapshot. Go to actions and click on restore snapshot. Click on OK. type in your credentials. Now let's see, and here you can see our website has been restored. Now that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe.